Welcome to the Discover Talents, friends. Today I will gonna walk you through the drop down list in the MS Excel, and you can learn very easily and quickly. So let's get started without wasting much time. And here is a data in place. I want a drop down over here. So what I will do here is I first select this column from B4 to B9, correct? And then we'll click on the data function, data validation. Over here, if you can see data validation, there are the allow option, and then you will need to click on the list button, okay? And the source type, you need to add your data which you wish to display in your drop down, correct? So I'll add complete and comma incomplete, correct? And just you need to click on the OK button, okay? Complete over here. You can see there is data has been added automatically, correct? You can add over here as well, that's fine. Right. So I'll once again walk you through this. What I did, there was a data, okay, and then I just selected this column. I went to the data option, data validation, and in the validation criteria I clicked on the list button, and over here I have put the value add, comma, don't add, correct, and okay. So this is the okay. So now this is all about the basic functionality about the addition or maybe deletion. Addition we can say, correct? So I just want to copy this because I'm showing you another step. How can you add this? Suppose status is mentioned over here, okay, and it's in format incomplete, in progress, complete. So I want this format needs to get added over here, correct? So what I supposed to do, right? So I'll select this first column, okay, then insert option, table. I click on the my table headers as a headers, okay, and OK button, correct? Now I'll select this range again. I'll go on the data option, again the data validation criteria, over here list option, and over here I can select it is equal to this thing, okay? I've just clicked on that particular range and OK button. Now you can see you have been added this thing. As you can see, the status has been also added over here, and you don't want to add those particular parameter over here. So what you will do, I'll show you once again. This is the thing, and data validation, list option, and then source, this thing, okay. Simple. It's a very simple, guys. Just press on the Control D. By any chance, if you are not able to select the rest of the other range, correct? So you can just click on the range, Control D option, incomplete, complete, whatever. Hope you like this video, guys. Make sure you are subscribing this channel, and please share your comment. Thank you.